Asha, the words which in a sense really dominate the market are new high, large cap and outperformance. New high across the board. Large cap, given how large cap stocks currently are in a commanding position. And C, I think is outperformance. The sheer level of outperformance at a time when global markets are looking slightly subdued, I guess Indian markets have really stood out. So for me, these are the three words which actually are dominant. Across the board new highs, outperformance by large caps, and then outperformance in by the Indian markets per se. But as we look forward, there is a why and there is a where. The why is that why have we made a new high and where do we move from here? The why is easy to understand, which is that we are in a good shape, the economic momentum is strong, Q4 updates have been decent, and we are on the right side of global central bankers who continue to maintain that inflation bugbear is not back yet. Now, where is critical part and where is what we need to focus on? So where are we headed from here? My sense is that first, this market, if nothing happens globally wrong, I mean, let's hope that nothing goes wrong globally, I think markets will outperform, or markets will in a sense be in a good groove till elections. Second, the risk reward ratio, if you compare the May high versus the March high versus the current high, participation level, the euphoria, the froth in the system is not there. And C, I think everybody is now feeling the bugbear of FOMO. So it's a difference between where we are in March versus where we are. For me, that is the most critical level, that we were at these levels. These highs were made 45 days ago. The positioning of the market was very different. There was euphoria, there was excitement, there was margin build up, and there was this compulsive buying which was at play. Now there is fear, FOMO, levels high, but participations are low.
And also, it's this time the move is led by large caps, not like small and mid caps, which was the case the previous time before the March correction that came back.
Yeah, they are in a very dominant space, so to speak, and especially post the Q4 updates which have come, let's say from an HDFC Bank, or the kind of messaging which we've got from other large cap stocks. I think large cap outperformance, I think, is the real deal. Nifty made in this pullback rally, it was Nifty which made a new high first, followed by what has happened to other individual stocks. Also, the market is reacting to the news. I always say that when markets, they start reacting to the news, it's a healthy and it's a very mature sign. For example, markets reacted to Bandhan Bank news. Markets reacted to Wipro news, Exide Industry. Big moves are made, market reaction to news is there. So this market is not looking very stretched. And the way to look at the market positioning is very simple. What was the open interest in the F&O market in March versus where we are right now? And we are nowhere close to the kind of market positioning which F&O market had in the month of March versus what we have in the month of April. So things are not overbought. Things are not in extreme euphoric zone. Yes, 7-8 days if you go higher, obviously things will get extended in the near term. But I can argue endlessly that I don't think this is like a March kind of a setup. Things are euphoric and you need to be really careful. So it's not like there is a bubble which is going to get pricked.
Yeah.